Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. In this video, I am doing a resin bowl with pressed flowers. And did one of these recently, but with really warm colors. And so for this one, I wanted to go with more pearly purple colors. I started off by spritzing my silicone mold with a little bit of 91% isopropyl alcohol, and this is simply to help remove air bubbles. It's probably not necessary at this step, but kind of why not? And then I put a little tiny bit of resin into just the bottom of the mold here, and then the pressed flowers. I'm using Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin, and make sure that you put the pressed flowers upside down so that they show up right side up on the inside of your bowl. And I'm just using a variety of white and pink flowers here. You can get these from Amazon. You can press your own. You just want to make sure that the flowers are completely dried. And then I let that first part cure. Once it was cured, I mixed up more resin. This mold takes about 5 ounces of resin. So that's how much I mixed up. Still Mixed Media Girl Artist Resin. And the colors that I'm using here are Polycolor Pearl Mica. Then the pink is Polycolor Pearl Mica mixed with the Polycolor Cotton Candy Mica. And the purple is a combination of Polycolor Pearl, Polycolor Silver, and then 1 drop of the Lumelite Violet Resin dye. Now that dye is very potent, and you can see it really took over. So next time I do this, I'll probably be a little more careful to use a little less of that so I get more pearl and less purple, but still very pretty. And I put those colors all together in a cup, spritzed the mold again with some isopropyl alcohol, and then slowly poured the resin into the mold. Now, the reason that I let those flowers cure first is so that the resin doesn't move them at all or go underneath the flowers or anything else. So it'll keep them in place, and then you can do the rest of your bowl. And pour slowly. It's going to take a minute for that resin to seep down the sides of the bowl. And also, I again use the 91% isopropyl alcohol to remove air bubbles, but make sure that you come back again in about 15 minutes and do that just one more time because sometimes air bubbles can continue to come and pop up. I let that cure and then demolded it, and here's how it looks. So you can definitely see the purple took over, but we have very pearly color here. Not as much of a distinction in color as I would have liked. You definitely see bits of pink popping through and bits of pearl, but again, next time I'll use a little bit less purple, a little more pearl. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time.